you are planning a trip to Kodaikanal, this video might help you.
How to reach? The nearest airport is Madurai, which is 120 kilometers away, and the nearest railway station is Kodai Road Station, which is 88 kilometers away from the city. The best way is by road. You can get a large number of buses in Red Bus, so we are giving you an ideal weekend itinerary which you can consider for your trip from Bangalore to Kodaikanal. Please watch the video till the end. First, start your overnight journey on a Friday night to reach Kodaikanal in the morning. While entering the city before 8 km, you will encounter Silver Cascade Waterfall. Here you can take beautiful pictures and try snacks, foods. After that, you can check into your hotel, freshen up and get ready for Dolphin Nose. Dolphin Nose provides a great valley view and has a rock stretching outwards, which gives a picture-perfect spot. It's recommended not to go to the edge of the rock in monsoon for safety reasons. From Dolphin Nose, you can go to the Vattakanal Waterfall, which is only 1.2 kilometers away. Just 1 kilometer from Vattakanal Waterfall is the Little Waterfall. This is the place where the 80s iconic and nostalgic Little TV ad was shot here. Important note, during the first day of travel, contact any local tour operator to get forest permit if you want to visit Berijamlake, which is popular and a famous tourist spot. From the Little Waterfall, you can go to the Kodai Lake. You can try different activities like horse riding, cycling, boating and street shopping. You can end your day here if you want a relaxing night bonfire or party with friend or family. Wake up in the Serene hill station and start for Berijamlake if you got the forest permit. Before the entry gate, there is viewpoint called More Viewpoint. This is the entry point beyond which two-wheelers are not allowed and four-wheelers need forest permit, else you have to get into minibuses operated by forest department. Just nearby Berijamlake, there are a couple of tourist spots that you can cover like Pineforest, Pillar Rocks and Gunacave. Pineforest is good picture-friendly frames along with activities like horse riding. Then you can go to Gunacave, which is also known as Devil's Kitchen. It is said that 13 people died who went inside the cave but never returned. During Mahabharata era, Pandavas lived in these caves and Telugu movie called Guna was shot here as well. After that, you can go to another viewpoint named Green Valley Viewpoint, which has an older name as Suicide Point. The view from here is beautiful with an altitude of 5,000 feet. Next, you can visit Coakerswalk, which is just a walking distance from the bus stand. We recommend visiting the Kodai Resort as well, which is also in walkable distance from the Coakerswalk if you want to enjoy a good ambience along with good food.